Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Juliuz and I'm watching the best videos of the trading industry with you together, so you don't have to do it all by yourself. Today, we are reacting again on Mambafx, our favorite YouTube channel, making $200,000 trading and spending it on my wife. Let's be honest here, I'm here for the first part, the $200,000 trading profit. The spending part, we might skip a little through that. Let's see. Okay, so I want to see how it is possible to make 200K. I don't know if it's on one day or whatever, and then spend it all. So I think we're here for a fun video. You guys leave a like and a sub real quick down below. Thank you for your support. This means a lot. And now let's get right into it. Here we go.
Another day, another bag. Oh yeah.
Make and spend $200,000 in Hawaii. All right, okay. Seems like a great life. So let's see.
You know what it is, baby? We're back up in this bitch. It's gonna be a good trip. Let me explain why it's gonna be a good trip. Because I'm not just in Hawaii, Hawaii's in me. Also, baby update, we're damn near there. Damn near there. Another day, another baby.
Alright, so this video is 2 weeks old, so maybe we are soon there to congratulate Mamba for his kid.
Obviously, I already know what it is, man. We got Louis Vuitton, but you gotta see under the hat. We got Gucci. We got Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. You gotta see the back. Look at the back. Look at the back.
Guys, I have to be honest, this is something, especially bags and suitcase and stuff, I'm really not interested in that at all, and I would probably, maybe if I had so much money that I wouldn't give a damn, but this is not what interests me. I would spend my money differently.
Say it with me on 3. 1, 2, 3. Louis Vuitton. $6 for a fucking energy drink, bro? I didn't even fucking trade today, bro. I can't afford this right now. I don't even know what we got planned. I just know we're gonna be relaxing, trading. Tomorrow I'm gonna be trading, man, breaking down some trades and hopefully making some money to help afford this trip.
Oh yes.
The goal again, usually when I go on vacation, is to make at least $100,000 on vacation, but I got a different goal this time. I wanna go for $200,000. The goal is to make $200,000 while on vacation in Hawaii, pay for the trip, and then go back and buy myself another car, because I could do whatever I want at this point in life. I don't even remember when life got like this. I don't remember going from not having money in cars to having everything I ever wanted and imagined. It just kind of just happened out of nowhere, so. Life is like that sometimes, man. Everybody's crypto portfolios are down like a shit ton. And yeah, I'm still making like 30, 40 grand every single day, minimum, just from day trading futures. So it is what it is, man. You guys got...
I reacted in one of my recent videos on his day trading strategy. It seemed a little unlikely that those setups occur every day and that you can make money with this kind of strategy every day. But let's see how he trades today, if this is identical to the strategy he showed us, and if he's making money.
Gotta stop with the crypto shit. Anybody who invested in crypto after 2021 is literally drowning in debt right now.
For the crypto part, I invested in Ripple XRP, I don't know, 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, and then I sold them when they were at more or less the peak. So I made a couple of $1,000s. I was quite happy, and now they're back down. So I think I did the right thing. I'm not a crypto guy, guys.
That's the advice for today. Other than that, let's get fucking hammered.
Hopefully the music will not get me a strike. Looks nice. Never been to Hawaii. Need to visit it, for sure. But I guess it's more like for Americans, the vacation destination.
All right, guys, I've had a few drinks. However, before I started having a few drinks, I got into a beautiful US...
He's just already drunk and making money in the futures market. All right.
30 trade. I want to show you guys the...
I can't see anything. Okay.
...value of my...
Which brokerage is that? And 117,000. Buy 50 lots, US 30. Okay. So at my brokerage, the maximum amount of money... so US 30 is already no future. This is a CFD, because otherwise it would be the Dow Jones. index, and US30 is the Dow Jones, but in CFD terms. Okay, so this is no real future broker, but rather CFD stuff. You know the deal. My futures broker has a maximum lot size of 30 contracts. Okay, after 30 contracts, that is the maximum amount you can open a position on one account. You have to have another account with the brokerage to open another position there if you want to increase the position size. But 30 lots is quite significant size. So 50, then the $117,000 is like, I don't know, let's think about it, maybe 300-400 ticks. Actually a lot, but in these volatile times that we are currently in, it's not a lot. Okay,
trade right now. This is the thing, right? There's a lot of people in this world who really can't trade sober. Then there's me who can trade drunk. Matter of fact,
yeah, but what was that? I wanted to see how he made that money. Maybe he's telling us.
I might even say I trade better drunk because my emotions are really gone. I don't really give a no more. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. It's like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying.
Maybe I need to try trading drunk. Maybe I'm trading better because my fear is gone. Maybe I'm gonna lose the whole account in one sitting.
So you probably really don't know what I'm saying. So as you can see, we got a resort right on the motherfucking banners. Hi, thank you. Made 100K, pays for the hotel, pays for the resort. Probably gonna hit the pool for a little bit.
Yeah, the 117,000, I can't take that too seriously because I haven't seen anything besides that number.
Maybe take another drink or two, relax. We're gonna trade again tomorrow.
I mean, it could very well be a demo or whatsoever, or something completely different. I did not see a setup, nothing. Hopefully we're gonna see a little bit more then, because I'm interested in trading. Day 2. So we know Mambafx is known for his great montages. This is another one.
So far, we're probably at about $60,000 spent on this trip. And I know a lot of you guys are like, well, I'd love to live a life like that. Guys, I've told you guys before, join the kingdom. Join the kingdom, copy my trades.
Again, maybe he's just financing all of that stuff with his kingdom. I'm not sure yet.
Make it easy on yourself. You don't have to learn the skill set
In my last reaction video, we calculated how many members he would need to finance all of this stuff.
of trading. Instead,
With 40 bucks a month.
you can just copy and paste and just take the easy route. Nobody's gonna make fun of you when you're making money. That you took the easy route. Nobody's gonna care. Nobody's gonna ask how you're affording all the stuff you have. Nobody gives a damn. So just take the easy route, man. Join the kingdom. Learn, copy. Super cheap. Link down below. It is what it is. For you guys that want to get a funded account and don't have a lot of money to trade with and you need capital, use discount code HEALTH40 at checkout on claritytraders.com.
Never heard of Clarity Traders.
Get an instant funding account, a regular funded account, whatever you guys want. But preferably instant. I think instant's the best move. And instantly
The instant is maybe not the best move.
get funded with up to $200,000 today. 40%
Only in case you can really trade, and I don't know about trailing stop loss, etc. and those brokerages, or not brokerages, but prop firms.
off. HEALTH40 is going to get you 40% off. So click the link down below, go to claritytraders.com and get yourselves a trading prop firm. So
A
that
little
you
advertisement is alright.
can have capital for once and not have to worry about trading your, own money that you work hard for. Are you getting the blue one instead?
Yeah, it's suede and it doesn't look so like broken in.
Okay. Let me swipe this thing and I'm out. 4,400, 4,500? Something light? All right. Something light, another 5K. Yeah, you could pack me lunch when we go golfing. YSL lunch?
What the heck is this chain? Is this real? Okay. Mama, okay, I love it. Crazy. Oh, this chain. I mean, his outfit is actually, I like the style, but the chain, that's not my taste.
Girl, I'm a grown-ass man. What you gonna put in here? One egg? One fried egg?
And a broken.
That's cool, though. I like them both. I kind of like this one.
Okay, this is bag shopping, and I want to see some trading. Let's skip a little bit.
Under 30 miles an hour, you want to be in comfort mode. Anything over 30, you want to hit slingshot mode. That's where your fun
Okay, is this like a beach buggy whatsoever?
starts.
Rental?
Any questions,
Stuff.
guys? Nope. No? Okay. Hold on to your hat when you're driving down the road because you will lose it. Yeah.
Okay, that would be fun. I would like to do that. That would be my thing here, okay?
All right. All right.
Renting such a vehicle. That looks great. I think it's fun.
Points
Okay.
in the books, man. Semi hungover, you know.
Okay, we're seeing some charts here in the future. Okay, I'm glad. Okay, I'm hyped.
Had myself a very crazy night. Not a YouTube type of night. Y'all didn't get to see none of that shit. But I'll tell you what, we are back for another breakdown trade, something like that. Markets are looking pretty cool. It's Friday, so not expecting to make a whole lot of money, but I am going to take a quick trade and
Okay, hopefully we're gonna see it live. And not in hindsight. Hopefully it's live.
see how things go. Stay tuned in Hawaii. Stay tuned of making a bunch of money because it's my wife's birthday. And let me just tell you guys something real quick. Bitches are not cheap. So I gotta make some money so I can spend some money and give her the best birthday that I possibly can. You know, she's pregnant and shit, so go Chanel and all that cute little shit, get her some new stuff, and yeah, hopefully give her just a great birthday overall. But we can't do that if we don't make money. So let's go and try to make some money. So we are going to take a sell position here on US 30. I've been looking at it all morning.
Okay, so we're back in the Dow Jones.
We're trailing to the downside pretty hard, and I'm just assuming that we're gonna continue to do so throughout the duration of this morning.
Doesn't seem like the strategy I reacted on because he marked like a range before the opening and then positioned himself with the breakout out of this range and went for a 1-to-5 reward risk ratio, putting the stop loss more or less at the breakout price. So if he's now trading for a continuation of already started movement in the morning, then this is a little different.
A 1 minute time frame.
Okay, time frame.
Look at the 5
What is this app?
minute time.
Is this brokerage because it's not trading view?
Time frame, it's
I don't know.
actually a little bit
Which time frame is that again? Minute 1.
smoother, but yeah, we're gonna go and take our sell position. We're at 100 lots deep.
With 100 lots. I don't know if in CFDs 100 lots is now $100 a point, $100 a tick, or if this is really identical to 100 contracts in the future markets.
And yeah, we'll see what we can get out of this position.
And he wants to go for a continuation short, which is completely the right thing to do without analyzing too much. If you are in a short trend, never be a buyer. You're trying to catch a falling knife. It's more or less impossible to get in at the precise turning point. You are better off in almost every scenario. You're better off here, here, almost everywhere if you just keep on selling.
Overall, in general, currently down 1,200, up now 1,800. It's gonna vary a little bit, but my profit target here is probably about 45,000. I think that will be enough to pay for today's trip and whatever the hell we end up doing with this expensive little girl we got. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so price is current.
All right. So actually, first of all, let's be positive here. I'm so glad that we're seeing some live trading, some live execution. So first of all, this trade is not fake, okay? It can be a demo, okay, but we have a $5 million trading account. This could very well still be real, so why not? And this position looks also pretty good. Again, to mention, I guess there were a lot of buyers at that point. It's better to sell if the market is falling.
Currently dropping, we're up about 36,000.
And if this is 100 contracts, and $33,000 is pretty easily reached.
Maybe a little less than a 1 to 4, about a 1 to 3.5. But I'm gonna let this sit for just a little bit longer. I think we're gonna continue to drop here. But again, up 35,000, varying right here and continuing to push to the downside. Okay, so I'm gonna end up closing this position right here at about $50,000. Looks like we ended up closing at $52,800 for the day.
Great trade. With big position size, okay, maybe you're doing it with one lot instead of 100, and we're not 50,000, but we make 500. That would still be a great trade.
Very simple, very easy. Now I want to talk to you guys about something really quick because I know a lot of you guys are
The chain.
struggling with this. We'll come outside for a second. An issue that I've realized a lot of you guys have is that you're not okay with keeping things simple. And the trade I just took, the trade I took yesterday, it's literally as simple as it gets, right? Overall, we look at the 15-minute time frame, we're breaking through a support, right? Like we're trending to the downside. It is what it is. Because the overall bias is sells, because we are breaking to the downside, because we're trending to the downside. All 3 time frames are showing me that we are dropping to the downside and that it's a bearish market. It makes a lot of sense to take a sell.
And that is so true. So this is really a good thing Mamba is doing completely right, is the simplicity of his executions. Don't overcomplicate stuff.
The problem that a lot of you guys have with the strategy is that you think because it's already selling off, it's too late. I don't want to get in and then it reverses on me because it's already been selling off. When The harsh truth of it all is you want to get in with the trends, not against them. A lot of new traders think that, hey, it's already oversold, I'm gonna buy it at the bottom. Realistically, you're not at the bottom yet. And because everybody
Yeah, this is what I was talking about in the beginning. So we are on the completely same side. This is actually a great trading knowledge with all the fun we are doing with this chain whatsoever, with this lifestyle. This is hard truth, okay? Listen to him.
thinks that this is now the bottom and we're already starting to break to the down.
You won't catch the bottom the first time. You might catch the bottom on the 200th entry, okay? After 199 losses. Don't try catching a bottom.
Downside, let's just wait for a better opportunity. It's going to continue to drop. You're going to, one, miss out, or you're going to have a lot of people who are going to buy because they think they're buying the bottom, and then you're going to get stopped out. Realistically, the most profitable strategy is keeping things simple and going with the trend. So if the trend is pushing to the downside, if Trump says something and it's starting to sell off and we're breaking support, it's dropping, let me get in for a buy, now it's a better price to get a buy. No, we need to get in with that trend. So it really is simple. When I first started,
That's actually very simple. The hard thing is when there are days where there is no real trend. Do you take that day off? There are a lot of days where the trend is like really not really there. You could position yourselves within those quick range scalps or just take the day off.
I was like, okay, I want to buy low and I want to sell high. That was like what you were taught. But
Yeah, and that is completely bullshit. Sorry to say that. Buy low, sell high is what makes you so freaking broke. Sell low and buy even lower. Buy high and sell even higher, okay? If you say buy low and sell high, the sell high thing, the second part of this little quote, is not the problem. The problem is the first part, buy low. That is the problem with that. Do not buy low. Do not buy low. Selling high, fine. Do not buy low.
instead, why not sell while we're already dropping? Why not sell while we're low? Because it's probably going to go lower.
Sell when you're low and then buy back even lower.
Keep things simple. Have a nice risk to reward. I could have lost 15K there, but instead I made 50. But at the end of the day, I was okay losing 15K. That was already in my mind the whole time. I might lose 15 grand here. That's fine. It is what it is. If I lose, I lose. But what's important is I stuck to the plan. I believed in the setup. But most importantly, I kept everything very, very simple. I didn't f***ing
So let's just calculate that he was able to, or he was ready to lose 50K and actually made 52,000, so that is a 3.5 reward risk ratio, which is actually pretty good. On usual days, I'm risking on a trade, let's say $150 times 3.5, so I would need to make 525 to also have a 3.5 reward risk ratio. This is actually not too easy.
Let me add some indicators and let me wait for a nice retracement. It's no, price is dropping now. Let me get in with the dropping price. It works, guys. Trust me, it works. I want to show you guys kind of what I was looking at because I didn't show you guys the exact strategy that I used. But so check this out. All I did simply went to the 5-minute time frame and I found a support, right? We have support here. I drew my box. This is support. Price broke below support. So we have our support line. Price broke below. Once price started to break below, I then went to my 1-minute time frame, see what the trend's looking like, and look at
Okay, we cannot see a lot, but I'm trying my best.
that. From that support, price was pushing down. All we did was sell off with the push. We broke support on the 15, we go to our 1-minute, we see the volume, we take our sell. That's it. Like, I'm literally keeping...
Yeah, great trade, nothing too complicated, very easy, and still the other half of people or even more lost money there because money is not generated in the stock market, it's taken from other people. So in order for him to make $52,000 with his short position, other people have to buy for $52,000 and lose the entire thing.
Keeping things so simple, and I know a lot of you guys probably don't want to learn how to become a trader. You guys don't want to take the time that it takes to become a profitable trader, and I have something special for you guys, man. You guys can now copy every single trade that I take. Every time I hit sell, every time I hit buy, you guys can also hit sell and buy and simply just copy all of the moves that I'm taking every single day. Not only that, there's 3 trading sessions every single day, and we are live every single day for every single one of them for only $39.99. Click the link down below. Again, $39.99.
okay.
You can copy all of my trades all day long, 3 sessions per day, all week, all month. Simply copy and paste. It really is that simple. You don't have to learn the skill set. You can now copy and paste one of the best traders to ever do it. It's all down below. So join the kingdom today.
Again, if you have experience with his kingdom, write down in the comments below if you are really able to make money with that.
And don't miss out.
Of course, this is now This is a lifestyle we all want, okay? Making so much money, $50,000, couple of minutes, I'm done. I'm buying myself a new Gucci bag, new Rolex, whatsoever. I mean, that's nice. I would probably just all spend it on first class flights because this is the one this is the thing I'm enjoying. Yeah, but that's a nice lifestyle, of course.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
All right.
Enjoy. Yo,
How you doing?
oh, you're staying here, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, you still trade?
Every day.
Still trade with Luca? No way.
Yeah, every day, bro.
Dude,
Yeah.
So if you're not sure if it's really Mamba, you can just tell by his big ass chain that it's really him.
so sick, bro. And
So he's not really undercover.
fire, bro.
Yeah.
You bought the cars or not?
No, hell no.
I still trade though. I trade
The handshakes.
futures.
Okay, how's that?
Yeah, bro. Dude, it's good, bro. The returns are crazy. And then right now I'm stacking like 10 prop firm accounts.
Oh, that's the
Trading
right
all
move.
NASDAQ. But dude, wait, you're
That's a
gonna
good
trade
move.
New York here. It's at 3:30, bro.
3 a.m. I know. I'm
Yeah,
fucking-
bro. The whole time I was
I know.
here, I'm like, no way I'm doing that.
Yeah, I'm
So I
not-
traded a little Asia, but
Yeah. Hell yeah. Maybe I'll switch it up for.
And-
Asia session, guys, there's really no great movement to make enough ticks in Asia session, and everything is possible. I mean, okay, maybe you have good time trading there, but every time I take a look, I'm mostly not awake during Asia session, but if I take a look back in the morning, in European morning, Asia sessions in the night, then it's just like whatsoever, and I do not find great opportunities with a realistic mindset on where I would have entered.
That's sick, bro. Hey, good
Yeah.
to see you, bro.
Yeah. All right, man.
Hey,
Another one.
To me, the best experiences are when they come up as if we've like been knowing each other forever. I don't even know who he is, but it's like I like those experiences more than the whatever. Let the fun begin, baby. This is first up on the chopping block. Oh, that's
Okay,
nice.
again, some bag
It's,
shopping. How many bags does a person need? I'm not sure, but definitely another one. And I think that's great. Day 3. Do we see some trading here? Do
All
not
right,
watch
guys.
this out.
It is a fit.
Alright, we see some golfing. Not that big into golfing. Alright, I think that should be it. We reacted for a couple of minutes here. Nice to see. Actually, that deserves a like. That was a great video. I enjoyed it way more than the previous one where he explained his strategy. That was a little too easy for me because on most days you won't find those great setups. But this trade, we saw a live execution. This is always great. I can't say anything bad about that. And we saw a great trade with a great advice with true words. All right. So everything perfectly fine. The first 100k trade, not too sure about that. I didn't see anything besides the number on his phone, but the second one, the 50k, that was total pleasure to watch. Thank you, Mamba, for that. And that was more than I actually thought I would get out of this video. So I'm happy with that. Hopefully you are as well. Make sure to leave a like and a sub down below. Thank you guys for your support. We're gonna see us next time, and take care of yourself and good luck with trading this week. Bye bye.